Okay, now that you have the dock ledge assembled, it's time to mount it to the dock. First off, remembering that you need a 30 1/4 inches space between the mounting brackets. And then tighten these bolts down. That locks it in place. Tighten on both sides, those bolts down. And now we mount it to the side of the dock. We remove the mounting brackets from the unit itself. And we mount these separately. So now we're going to mount the first bracket onto the fascia. Make sure it's level.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to measure 30 1/4 inches for the next bracket. And mount it there. Okay, so now we're going to sink the unit all the way into the water and bring it up through the mounting brackets. So slide her in. Lift up, sink it down. Yep, keep going. It's not heavy, babe. Coming?
Yeah.
Hold on. Back mine off a bit here. There you go. So just at the top, just hold it right there, babe. And now we cinch them down. And that's that. You have a dock ledge.
Well, that was easy.
Right?
That's awesome. Thank you. That was so fast.
Right?